The new Panasonic Lumix S5IIX mirrorless camera is equipped with a host of new features to bring your vision to life, benefiting from a new sensor design and an updated processing engine with L2 technology. It is the first Lumix camera to offer phase hybrid autofocus for fast and precise autofocusing performance. Making full use of the 24.2 megapixel sensor and enhanced processor, this camera records 6K video for up to 30 minutes, while unlimited 4K video capture is available as well. Optimized for video, it is also equipped with new active IS system, which supports walking shots to further enhance image stabilization while recording video. It features a full-size HDMI port, USB to SSD recording, live streaming functionality is standard as well, and offers wireless IP streaming, USB tethering to smartphone, and wired streaming.